The Label by Range function allows you to easily print or queue shelf labels for a specified range of products. This function is especially useful when printing new shelf labels for a whole product range or location. From the Stock Manager module, click the Labels by Range icon. In the Labels by Range window, click the Sorted By drop-down and select the required option. In this example, I will sort by department. Enter the required starting and ending range. In this example, I want to print labels for products in the skincare department. Click the Label Type drop-down and select the appropriate label template. Use the Print Labels For drop-down menu to select Products marked as stocked, to only print labels for products marked as reorder or stocked, products with a positive stock on hand, to print labels for products with a positive stock on hand regardless of the stocked status, or products stocked or in stock, to print labels for products that are either marked as stocked or have a positive stock on hand. Uncheck the non-APN barcoded only checkbox if you are printing shelf labels. Leave the Show Prices checkbox checked to show the retail price on the labels. Leave single labels checked to only print one label per product. Unchecking this option will print the same quantity of labels as there is current stock on hand for each product. Check the Send to Queue checkbox to add labels to the label queue, or leave this option unchecked to print now. Disregard the Include S2 and S3s checkbox. After you have selected your desired options, click OK. If you have opted to send labels to the label queue, they will be sent to the label queue and you will be returned to the Stock Manager module. If you did not select Send Labels to Queue, the Print Options window will now open. If required, select your printer and your printing options. Click Start and your labels will print.